guys, Sports Shot here, and today what we're going to be doing is, oh god, that lag, okay, it's not laggy anymore. I'm getting lag spikes, but that's okay. I'm going to be playing with the Auto Shotty, otherwise known as the Saiga 12. It's an automatic shotgun, well, semi-automatic, and it has fastest fire rate out of all the shotguns. That's why it's called the Auto Shotty. Oh yeah, and they, if you're wondering why the colors are all weird, they added this monochrome texture to literally everything in the game. Oh yeah, and I'm playing with the worst secondary in the game. And I'm on a server with only 5 people. So yeah. I just stole those guys' dog tags, but why not? I feel so bad right now because I'm stealing this guy's dog tags, but why not? Oh yeah, this pistol, like the shotgun, has the highest fire rate in its class at just about 1,000. Yeah, but I'm not very good at this game, so yeah. This is more just a gameplay video than an overview of the shotgun, because I don't feel like doing too much editing, because it's like 9 o'clock, so yeah. Okay, we're sneaking up on some guys here. Okay. I'm gonna change out my secondary. I'll use the M45, that's a good gun. There we go, that's better. Okay, okay, that grenade didn't get him. That did get him. There's a guy coming up. I can hear him. Oh, he's down there. Okay, there we go. He's gone. We're playing against 3. Okay. That's nice. I don't know where they'd be. Probably be down here, maybe somewhere. I don't know. Oh, there's a guy up there. I don't see anybody, but I see some dog tags. Or not. Okay. Oh yeah, and because this gun has like a one-shot kill potential, it's extremely overpowered. Because it can shoot like that fast. So yeah, but you have to use it right for it to be overpowered. As you can probably tell, I'm just trying to stretch this video out to 10 minutes. Oh. Okay, that's nice. Got a little bit of lag there, but nothing big. Okay, I hear somebody over here. That's him. Somebody coming up here. I just got right there. Okay, yeah, I'm just not gonna change anything. This gun really sucks for this map, but there's really no point in changing it. My shot lagged and I wasn't able to get him. Okay. Hopefully this recording comes out fine and doesn't have too many lag spikes like all my other ones. If I can, I might record this more often, but I don't know. There's a guy coming up this one. Okay, got him. Yeah, even though we're outnumbered 2-3, we're still winning really good here. Is someone coming up here? No. Oh, he died. God, where'd he go? Okay. Got him. That's nice. There's nobody down there. Somebody up here. Oh, he's gone. I really feel bad for that YOLO guy, whatever his name is. 'Cause he's like the only non-AFK guy on his team. He's gotta be here somewhere. Oh. Okay, I got him. Okay then. That scared me. Because I'm like half asleep right now. Okay, I'm gonna change this out to maybe the Beowulf. I don't know. Yeah, I'll do that, and then my secondary I'll keep as the Medibuff. This revolver is really good. It has a one-shot kill potential if you get a headshot, and it just shoots that fast, so it's nice. And then this thing, it takes 2 shots to kill, I think, yeah. Even though it shoots the same round as the BFG, it takes 2 shots to kill. Oh god, I can't. My surround sound gets all weird sometimes. That really messes my hearing up. Like, not, like, I don't know. I can't tell where they're coming from all the time. Okay, I'll just use an MG36, because why not? Okay. He's coming up there. That's an ally. Got him. Okay. Yeah, this round's going really good for us. Okay. Yeah, we're really messing the other team up. Okay, there. I'm gonna wait until I die and then I'm gonna finish up the video. Somebody over here. Okay, that was nice. That's not good. Okay. Well, I'm done messing up this team. But I'm not gonna stop the video until they actually get me. It's probably gonna be now. Or not. Okay. I'm better at this game than I thought I was. I see 3,000 hours on Unturned has really helped me with first-person shooters. Okay, well, he got me. That means I end the video now. Remember to like, comment, subscribe, share, do all that, because why not?